Oh my god, I just got humped by Donnie Wahlberg.
Goes deep left center. It is high. It is far. There it is. Gone. Oh, what a shot. Is that kid strong or what? Aaron is judge and jury. And this is Judgment Day. He drills a long home run to left center. And the Yankees have an 11-5 lead.
Stop, Vinny, or I'll cover the cameras. I'm gonna shut it off if you don't stop.
0-2 count. Here's the pitch. You can tell he wanted to pull off, but he swings through the inside.
You fucking piece of shit. You're raising my blood pressure, Vinny. Now stop! If you do it again, I'm shutting the computer down.
E66, don't let that asshole Vinny fuck with you. You should turn off the computer and tell that Guinea to work on your legal cases.
Hey, when I make a phone call, it says I can't make a phone call. Try your call again later.
Sir, tell that greasy Guinea that he can take the $36 you owe him and shove it up his hairy what ass.
Vinny, stop. Don't fuck me over.
That asshole Vinny should make his cunt wife pay you $36. Fuck Vinny.
Dude, don't fuck me over. And can you stop playing those noises? They're annoying. Tell Devin to stop. Just tell Devin to stop. I'm getting annoyed. Nice, okay? Just stop the noises.
Mayday! 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 Mayday!
Coast Guard Station Center, go ahead over, Captain.
Vessel in distress, this is Coast Guard Sector Long Island Sound. What is your position, over?
55, 622, 7335, 418. I'm on fire. The boat is on fire. I shut it down. I see another boat coming over.
Time, two. Deep left center, it is high. Mid is far. It is gone. Oh, what a shot. Is that kid strong or what? Aaron is judge and jury. And this is Judgment Day. He drills a long home run to left center. And the Yankees have an 11-5 lead.
Vinny, I'm shutting that computer down right now. If you don't fucking stop. You see, you're doing the noise effects.
No, the owners are doing it, dude. They say
Marty Bleeman sucks. Richard Bleeman's cock. I want that.
that was my mistake. Who's Richard Bleeman?
My dad.
Yeah, that's not true. That we gotta ban. Hold on 1 second, dude. Eric, I can't see you.
Because I'm reading the chat.
Alright, hold on 1 second.
All family talk has to stop.
Dude, you told me that already. You gotta calm down and I'll get it done. Jesus Christ.
Hello?
Oh shit, whoops, that was a mistake. Hold on. Alright. Look, you can look at the monitor and see, I gotta... Hold on. We'll zoom out. Shit, Eric, the computer's frozen. Oh. Oh, shit. I'm going away on the 5th, on the 19th.
Why?
Vacation, that's why.
So I'll come into your office to see if there's any packages.
When I'm away.
Yeah. You better give me you better give me moderator status.
Oh,
You better give me moderator status while you're away.
that's gonna go over well.
I don't care. Vinny, they talk about my family.
What happened?
I don't know. They're talking about my family. Someone said,
I'm going to correct it with you. I'm taking my time on a Sunday night to help you.
so someone says, Eric, I fucked your mom's cunt.
Alright, I can get it all done. Put on the right monitor and we can get going.
Well, someone said Richard has a pussy. I want that done.
Put on the monitor. Is the monitor on?
No, it's not.
Well, put it on and let's get to work.
Take the gay stuff off.
Alright, I need to click off.
Stupid fuck.
Okay, we're ready. Watch as we do it. You there?
Yeah, I'm here.
Alright, let me see.
Take that off right now.
I'm trying to. Alright, let me... Okay, let me see. Alright, this is how we do it. Right here. Alright. Create studio. Okay, flick it off. You don't want people seeing. Turn that monitor off.
Yes, Kitty, you can put people on timeout.
Where the hell was, remember we saw the chat?
Vinny, yes, Vinny gives you the okay to put people on timeout.
What's it? I'm streaming. It's on channel? Okay. I did.
See, like this. Richard Bleeman bans 12-year-old boys. I want that God.
Alright, Eric, calm down. Where the hell? I think it's on the community for some reason.
I'm gonna stab all these fucking people.
Hey, stop, dude. If you do that, then we're not gonna be able to do it. It's just like not gonna happen. Oh, there it is. Alright, Eric, ready?
Yeah.
It's on the community. It was on the community settings. Okay, alright, blocked words.
I want it. No, all family talk is done. I want it off.
Dude, Eric, you gotta be realistic. I can't just say. Hold on one second. Yeah, read off what you don't want said.
Vinny, no. I want it. Just write no family talk allowed.
Doesn't work like that. I put in Marnie. What else?
I want Richard Bleeman off of there.
Richard Bleeman. Okay.
I want
I need specific words that they're saying, dude.
I want Marnie Wozniewski. M-A-R-N-I-E.
Marnie's last name?
Wozniewski.
That's how you spell it. Yeah, she's blocked.
Wozniewski?
Yeah.
I want my people are talking about my mom.
But what specifically, dude? I can't. I put in Marnie.
People are still saying my sister's name in chat.
But what do they say? Is it Marnie? M-A-R-N-I-E?
Yes.
Alright, close. Comments closely matching these words will be held for review. Live chat matching these words will be blocked. No, I gotta see it. Hold on. M-A-R-N-E?
M-A-R-N-I-E.
Alright. What else did they say about Marnie?
Yes,
Like Marnie's hot? Is that okay?
no, I don't want that. She's my sister.
So she can't be hot?
I don't want other people to talk about my sister.
Marnie is hot is blocked.
What about Richard Bleeman? I want that blocked.
His name is blocked. What else do they say about Marnie?
That Marnie's a cunt. I want that blocked.
Hold on, I'm blocking Marnie's a cunt. See, dude, this is how we do it. You don't have to get so excited, just talk. Hold on.
So why are people still saying her name?
Are they spelling it Marnie? Because I'm typing it. If you put on screen one now, dude, I promise there's no gay stuff on it. You'll see. Yeah, see if it comes up on the screen. You'll see exactly what I'm writing.
That says, yeah, they're spelling her name correct. Why?
Marnie, Richard Bleeman, Marnie is hot, Marnie cunt. Do you see what I'm looking at?
I'm looking at the chat. Why are they still saying her name?
Forget the chat, dude. Let's just get this done. Look at the screen. On Marnie. You see right there? Is he looking at the screen, or I mean he's doing what he wants, wasting my time? Marnie is hot. I don't know why Marnie is hot is a bad thing, but okay.
Richard Bleeman is a hot cunt. I want that on there.
Good. Okay, come on, Marnie. What was that last one?
Richard Bleeman is a hot cunt. That's my dad, okay? Peter, all these fucking haters need to fucking die.
Stop saying that, dude. Richard Bleeman is a
Richard, someone wrote Uh,
I'm gonna hit save, so every time I hit save, they won't be able to use that anymore. Okay, what else you got? Come on, Deb. Run. See, dude? What else did I say? Pause, I can't hear you.
wait, I'm looking.
See? Should I write Eric is amazing? Should I get rid of that too? Or is that okay?
Wait, hold on.
Jeff, who's moving all that stuff over there? Was that the cursor? Try and zoom into that. Give me another phrase. Once it's in, the computer's great, dude. They'll never let them do it. Unless, of course, they spell like one letter wrong. I don't think your fans would do that to you, though.
Eric, I fucked your mom's rotting cunt. I want that out of there.
Okay. Oh, you need me to do it. I know what I do. I was doing. No, I got it. Watch. I got it. Okay. Got that? Don't do that. I got it.
How about this? Eric, I fucked your mom's rotting asshole.
Okay, hold on. Did they spell Eric with an I or a K?
Let me see. With a K.
Okay.
That-
Okay. Next.
Why are they still writing my sister's name correct?
How are they spelling it?
M-A-R-N-I-E-S.
See, that's Marnese. Hold on, I gotta. These guys are tricky. See how tricky they are? They put a different letter. Hold on, I'll get them. Yeah, was the sound on there? I want the sound. Okay, good. I got them.
What about...
These fans are tricky little buggers.
Let me see. How about... I'm looking.
Take your time. I got Eric, I fucked your mom's rotting asshole.
Okay. Okay, how about this? Richard B-L-E-A-M fucks Marnie's pussy all night.
Okay. Okay, got that. Anything else with the thing?
How about Richard B-L-E-A-M O-N-S wasted sperm Eric. It's not no, it's not funny.
Alright, what it is. How did they spell Bleeman again?
B-L-E-A-M-O-N-S.
See, these guys are tricky. See how they're tricky they are? They're spelling your name with one letter off, but we'll get them. Did they use Eric with a C or a K on wasted sperm?
Now I can't find it.
See,
Wait.
The filter's already starting to work. we just don't want those tricky fans to start using, like, putting one little letter in after. But I won't say anything. Set even that up.
Okay, how about this? My mom is Lori Bleeman. Someone wrote that.
Yeah, so your mom's Lori Bleeman. That ain't bad.
I don't want that on there.
How did she spell Lori?
That's how she spelled it. Laurie.
Okay.
That's personal information.
Done. Next.
Okay, let's see. How about Richard Bleeman fucks Marnie's pussy on... Well, actually, they spelled Marnie's name wrong.
How'd they spell it?
Marneys. Apostrophe S.
Okay, next.
How about this? Someone wrote, rest in peace, Lori Bleeman. Well,
That was nice.
no, I don't want that!
That was very nice to say.
No, I don't want that!
Alright. Did they do R.I.P. or rest in peace?
R.I.P. And they spelled her name. They spelled her name right.
Alright, got it.
How about this? Lori Bleeman sucks. L-I-L boys cocks.
Lori Bleeman sucks what?
L-I-L-B-O-Y-S cocks.
L-I-L.
No, it's, go back.
Got it.
No, go back after you type the B. L-I-L space boys
Oh, little boys.
cocks.
Okay, next. That should probably cover any type of offense. I gotta hit save.
If
Yeah, I can't imagine anyone writing anything more than that.
How about this? Poor Lori Bleeman. She doesn't get to see her fat fuck. This,
Well, that's kind of nice.
no, fuck that.
Alright, hold on.
I'm gonna sue everybody in this chat room.
Eric, if you say that, then the whole thing ends.
I'm suing all these haters.
You suing them? Yeah, you can say you're gonna sue them, that's fine. Or Lori Bleeman.
I'm suing these fucking haters. Why are they spelling the correct name?
Okay, next.
But why didn't they spell the name right?
They're not. I don't see. After this, I gotta hit save, so like, I think it'll take effect in next chat. Like, once we, stop this chat. And
Alright, hit save.
hit save? Alright. Alright, that's a good start. Let me restart the stream, and then that'll take effect.
I'm watching it because if that doesn't happen,
What was that?
if I see these people writing about my family, I'm starting a lawsuit against these fucking haters.
That's okay. You can say that. Alright, let me restart. Have a good night, buddy boy. I gotta get some.
I'm watching the chat.
You're not supposed to be.
I'm watching the chat. I'm gonna do a cease and desist on the chat room.
Okay. Did you get the wire that was delivered to you? Unrelated. for the...
I don't give a fuck about the wire.
Alright, but did you get it delivered at least?
Yes.
Just tell me that. Okay.
Now,
We'll talk about
hit
tomorrow.
save because I want to see what happens.
I gotta restart the chat there, alright?
Restart it.
Hold on. Save. Start this chat.
I'm watching.
I know you're watching, dude. I have to resave. It's not ready yet. Oh,